guys. I had to wait till it's having a hard time focusing lately.
Yeah, mine does too.
What the heck's
I don't know
wrong?
if I just have it on the wrong setting or what.
I'm here with Jacqueline.
Hello.
And today we're doing Christmas with the other side of the family. So we just did Christmas on Christmas and then Christmas on New Year's weekend. This morning, you guys know how the usual morning is to start off with coffee.
Unless you want to make the exterior. No, Kyle, we're gonna go to Target first and then we're gonna make the coffee.
We're on our way to Target. Miss Kurt. Goodbye, guys. What?
I can't find my shoes.
Just put your shoes on. Come on, it's 2 seconds.
Kyle, I can't find them.
Just get a pair of shoes. Any shoes.
I'll just go with you.
What?
I'm going,
If we all go, isn't it obvious?
Yeah, you stay.
Yeah.
Well, what's obvious? What are we trying to not
Fine, I guess I have to say upon Jasper's command.
Ooh, it's kind of nipply.
We're going to Target to get Dad a present. Right before he comes over. Because you wouldn't want that.
Get the nipply out. It's real nipply. Where's your camera mount so you can
Yeah, I know. Do a little camera.
record your moments in the car?
Here you go.
Okay.
I'm not really amped because I need more coffee.
Did Jacqueline come or not? Nope.
Oh.
She couldn't find her shoes. So how long do you just vlog for? I've never done this.
I don't know. I actually feel kind of awkward this morning for some reason. Normally, I just be myself and it actually comes out.
Just be yourself.
I think I'm not amped right now.
Not amped.
Shouldn't have stayed up until 12:30, 1 o'clock.
Yeah, that was kind of late. Yeah.
Alright.
I could agree.
So, today is Saturday morning and we are going to have some fun. We're opening up gifts in the morning, right, Justin?
December 29th.
Yes, on December 29th. Oh, it's so annoying.
Well, your seatbelt's not on.
Seatbelt.
That means safety.
first. We're going to Target. Yeah? Target, Jasper?
Yeah, we're going to Target.
Target.
Did you know the Target dog is a real breed of dog with the red circles around its eyes?
Oh yeah? Really?
Yeah.
They got red circles and everything.
That's what I thought until about 4 years ago.
Never heard that before. That's interesting.
It's like the Dalmatian off-breed.
Target. All right. Dalmatian off-breed. I like that. So we got to get some orange juice and lemonade. Get some orange juice. Get some lemonade.
No pulp.
No, bro. Gotta get the pulp, dog. Ooh. Not from concentrate, all natural, but it's only 17% juice. How's that possible? 70% juice, but it's all natural.
The rest is water.
What the crap? Look at this one. I thought this one looked the coolest. I saw this online.
Wait, what's the difference? What's the...
Look how cool
It
it
looks like you put it
looks,
on a
dude.
wallet.
Yeah, man, it's chill.
Okay.
All right, people. We got the goods.
Got the water.
Got the goods.
Got Dad's gift. We got the juice.
We got the juice. And we got the goods. What you doing, Hannah?
Cooking potatoes.
Ooh,
Yeah.
for the family. Hopefully that'll be enough. How many potatoes was that?
There's more, but I don't have another can.
What's on the son? She wrapped him in clothes and placed him in a manger because there was no guest room available for them. And there were shepherds living out in the fields nearby, keeping watch over their flocks at night. Out of them in her heart. The shepherds returned, glorifying and praising God for all these things they had heard and seen, which were just as they had been told. On the 8th day, when it was time to circumcise the child, and his name was he was named Jesus, the name the angel had given him before he was conceived. No.
Okay, there you go. I don't know who goes first. The oldest goes first, which is Kyle.
Yeah, go first. I'm sorry.
Come over this one because it's
No, Jeff.
It's like a bird.
Okay, Kyle, go ahead. Oh yeah. Oh, that is so
What did it say?
cute.
What did it say?
Glad and generous heart.
Sorry, I'm a little slow. These are so cute.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I'm so
You're gonna be so
excited.
happy. I've been asking for this for so long. And it's handwritten just like I found it. So cool.
I love
chocolate chip cake is in there. It's a $5 spot.
Spinach Maria.
Yeah.
I know that one.
What?
That's from Grandma.
Grandma wrote, you'll see Grandma's handwriting in
Lemon
mine.
chicken.
Recording? Is it working? Kurt.
What?
We're doing a documentation for Kyle and Hannah Denton.
Okay, so this I'm story to tell you guys. You know, sometimes when you're trying to go hang out with the friends and you know they're not there, so you have to like, hey, it's so nice.
Well, you did so good, Kurt. Thank you for your intelligence.
You can flip this out and then you can see yourself.
Oh, this is so good.
So this is the perks of being friends with people who are famous for wearing makeup on YouTube.
Is it
right?
makeup? Or
Yeah.
is
Or
their
just
life,
talking,
their lifestyle?
I guess.
Oh, okay.
Well, you're right. You just wait for them.
Famous for your
You
lifestyle.
just wait for them.
And then you
A
hope.
lot. So here we are, just making footage.
Yeah, because we have to.
Because we're bored.
Kyle says we have to. Hannah likes doing it.
Right, yeah.
And JACLYN likes doing it.
Yeah.
But
We have to like doing it.
yeah, true. We're like kind of like
We're, like,
family.
born
so
into doing
yeah,
it.
we're born into it. So people are going to enjoy this, yeah?
Yeah,
Okay.
absolutely. I think we should start our own channel.
We probably should. We call it DJ. Where's Kyle?
We're gonna take a pick.
Kyle.
Yeah.
Hey, we're doing a vlog. Say hello. Where are you?
Hello.
Oh, there you are, Kyle. Hi. Are you guys ready? We're all ready to go. There's Jay. We're stealing her initials. That's Grant. We all know him. Hey, Hannah.
What is she doing?
Hannah, what did you like to tell people?
Guys, we have a full house today.
Full house, she
Hey, how's it
says.
going?
And,
This is how you do her makeup. She tells you all the time.
yes. What?
Get in here.
Why?
JD Blogs, that's where it's at. We'll actually spend the time and talk to you guys, unlike Kyle over here,
What's up, guys?
who's taking forever. He just got out of the shower. Like,
Just got a new jacket for
I-
Christmas.
I think I filmed that like
Guys,
too many hours
check
ago.
this out. It comes with a battery, and it makes you really warm. We're gonna try it at least. We're gonna find out. Uh-oh.
That didn't sound
It
good.
doesn't seem like it fits.
Curtsy wortsies. It's time to get up.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, it is Sunday morning, and it is time to go to church.
Bum bum bum. What are we doing, ladies? We all getting ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys know that we have to be at church in. We have to be gone out of here in 30 minutes. 30 minutes.
We'll be ready.
Okay. I just want to make sure.
dressed and put mascara on. You
Okay.
look cute. Did you show them
Goodbye.
your new vest?
My new vest? No, I didn't show my new vest.
Sponsored.
Sponsored by.
Nice.
Let's see. What is it called? Ororo.
That's the best vest. I want
Guys, check it out. It lights up.
one now.
Watch it. Boom! It's a heated vest, and it's heating right now. Choo! Anyways, it's pretty cool. I like it. It's sponsored by.
Yeah.
Thanks to them. Got a great vest for free. So you should go check them out.
Yeah.
Not really.
Keeping people
Is it
warm.
illegal to say that you got something when you didn't?
What? I want to
Hey, real
plan
quick.
something.
Well, let's go. Let's go to play in the car. Let's go, man.
Like either go to a concert.
Hi guys.
or-
So we're-
So my name's Hannah, and I'm ready to go to church.
Yeah, we're ready to go to church. Kyle's putting his shoes on. Emily's all cute and pretty.
Here's Valentine's Day gift.
What are you doing?
I got some Starbucks.
Wait, hold on.
So Hannah had to, Hannah, because she ordered online.
Oh, I was like,
So Hannah had to get her Starbucks because she just
Hey, where's the
can't
rubber bagel
do
at?
anything else.
Make it right.
what'd you get? Right here.
Try
No, go straight.
Oh.
Go straight. We're getting on. Hold, Hannah.
what? We're gonna be on the highway, right?
Yeah. Get the thing in the
We're going
village.
to be late. No, I can just tell.
So we're heading to church. Kurt's driving,
Yes, I'm driving.
but first we're gonna go to Proper Bagel and get some food. And Emily's really excited about that.
It's better than.
I'm keeping that one in the vlog.
We love each other.
Woman,
can you call your mom?
last night.
Yeah.
Why would you
Really?
do this?
Ask Kyle what he dreams about.
You're just a mean person, Emily.
Guy, why would you do this?
about?
Yeah.
Proper bagel.
Going to Proper Bagel.
You knew we were taking your car. I was like, yo, there's 3 of you. You could have had the.
Okay, well, we're at Proper Bagel. Do you guys want something? All right, we're good. We're good. We got the goods, Kurt. We got the goods. That's where we went to church, people. And
I liked it.
it was different. It was like a mixture.
It was like a mixture between Catholicism,
Yes.
like super laid back Catholicism,
Yes.
with a Baptist church feel, and a super contemporary, like I'm gonna make jokes feel. It was great.
Yeah, it was like the crazy mixture I've never had.
To pick up the
super
family.
fun.
St. Bernard Academy. Goodbye, guys. Farewell. So long, my friends.
I'm really sad, but
Yeah, well, you guys are losers, man. Because we're about to have fun. Look at this beautiful day. Yeah, that is kind of fun. I'm kind of a little jealous, actually.
I know. Oh, it's getting really cold.
I'm gonna take a nap.
All right, well, y'all have fun.
Love you guys.
Going to Edley's. Edley's. Edley's.
Millennials don't know how to put things on their websites because they're too busy drinking coffee.
Oh, yeah?
So, we have to go.
We're going. Grant, seriously. He like shoves it up in your butt. That was gross, dog.
How are those wings, Kyle?
Super hot.
These ones are hot.
Oh, actually, those are hot. I only have one. And I'm like,
had
dude,
one of those, you gotta
my mouth is
spit it
still
out.
burning.
I like hot wings.
Hey guys, here's the walls. There's your I Believe in
I
Nashville.
always think it looks different.
Everybody loves
Everyone's
it.
got to
They
take
all-
a picture here.
They're all
Literally
taking
everyone.
pictures. We're walking to Frothy Monkey.
It's like the most touristy.
There's the cuties.
What's up?
This is Reese Witherspoon's store. Yeah. Draper James.
Reese Witherspoon, Reese without her.
Yeah. We're going into Christie's Cookies. Look at all these cookies. 2019.
Macadamia nut, one of those.
What are you gonna get? That would be cute. Okay, wait, what'd you get?
Abuse? Is it abuse? What'd you
Yeah.
Regular chocolate chip cookie.
Ooh.
She ate all of it. Didn't leave me any.
Whatever. I ate half of it. He ate.
Ian, we just got out of line and she ate half of it.
$1 coffee at Christie's
Yeah.
Cookies, and it's really good.
Is it good?
Go get you a $1 coffee.
Christie's Cookies. Okay guys, we're at Barista Parlor. And I only have one fingernail on. It's so embarrassing. That guy, when he was asking me like, show me your ring, or like looking at our rings, I was like, yeah, like so embarrassed. All my nails fell off except this one. Me and Emily are waiting for Grant right now because he really had to go to the bathroom. And this lady's waiting for him. Okay guys, we're bird scootering.
No, dude, I don't trust myself.
These guys are crazy. No, what if he broke you?
Where's my legs, okay? Oh, my legs, okay? I promise you got my legs. I promise. Yes, you got my legs.
Oh, that was close!
I was scared. That's the issue though. If you get scared, you don't commit.
Oh!
Nice.
Oh, show the camera, show the camera.
Look. Over my leg.
We're looking for ice cream right now. If you guys haven't tried the Tonight Dough with his face on it, it is amazing. That's our favorite ice cream. But we got some Ben & Jerry's for Kyle. Or no, maybe we got Haagen-Dazs. We got Haagen-Dazs for Kyle. And if you want to know something about Kyle, he takes 30 minutes to choose his ice cream.
Well, I'm not doing too much better.
Good morning, guys. It is New Year's Eve. I'm with Miss Donna, and we're going to, what kind of class? Not bar.
Body pump.
Body pump. So we're gonna be super sore tomorrow.
Ooh, nice.
But I like it. I like being sore. And you make love. So today we are good. The boys are at work, and we're hanging out with Emily and having some girl time. And then we're gonna go line dancing, we think, later. Yep. So we'll bring you guys along with us. All right, Gold's Gym it is this morning. Okay guys, so we just got out of bar. I look very pale right now. But how,
No, that would
No.
be much easier.
body pump. How was it?
It was hard.
It was really hard. We're gonna be definitely feeling that tomorrow. My shoulders, like I can already feel it. Where can you feel yours?
Yeah.
I have
my legs.
no upper body strength like
My
JACLYN.
legs.
Yeah, no, but she has muscle. I was looking at it in there. There was this one lady in there that was older, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, she was
beautiful
gorgeous.
physique. It's gorgeous.
And yeah, she was killing it in there. But luckily she was in there because she was helping us a lot.
Yeah, she was telling us what to do because she
Yeah.
really needed help.
Yeah, we look like it. So we had a lot of fun. Now we're gonna go shower and hopefully look more presentable for later and then go pick up the boys. Hey guys, we are at Wild Horse Saloon. And we thought there was gonna be line dancing, but there's no line dancing right now. So we're trying to wait until 7 p.m. We'll see.
We're supposed to go line dancing, but at 5, but they did cancel that on us.
Yeah, they sure did. So we got the whole fam here. And we're just having a real good time. Woo!
Skeeters!
Hey guys, so we just saw Tommy Lauren. Don't really know who that is, but he was a big Instagrammer, like very conservative.
From Fox.
And there's the Fox News thing. And Grant really wanted a picture but didn't get one.
Grant wanted a picture.
It's okay. Emily didn't want a picture. I don't get picture with ladies without Emily.
So now we left Wild Horse.
Wild Horse because line dancing didn't start yet. We have some underage people with us.
Yeah, I think it was a bad idea.
So now
I think it was a bad idea because now we're not gonna find anything. But
we're gonna go
it's okay.
try to eat. But I think everywhere is gonna be like an hour and a half to 2 hours.
Yeah, probably. And
Don't
we're
we
gonna
just
be.
want to go to cheesecake?
Everyone's just looking.
Like that kind of sounds good to me.
That does sound good.
Okay guys, so we are at Demos restaurant right now. This is the first restaurant that Kyle ever tried salad and liked it, right?
And then I eat salads every day for lunch.
And then he married me, guys. Right now we're with the family. And it was only like 8 to 10. And we got in pretty quickly. Everyone's sitting down.
Well, you know how it is.
I'll let you know how it is.
What are we doing, Hannah?
Guys, we are at the milkshake bar. This is like heaven on earth.
the milkshake bar.
Signature shakes.
Majestic
What?
unicorn milkshake. Cotton candy ice cream. Marshmallow.
Let's see what they got. Here, oh, they show it right there. Look at those. Signature shakes. I think this is like too much for me. Too much for me. What you doing, Hannah Banana?
Hi guys, we're in Laser Quest because that's what cool people do on New Year's.
Yeah. Hey, I could totally take. Can't even see you. You're totally blind.
I was screaming in that place. People would jump out of me.
So, how was laser tag, Hannah? It's actually a lot more fun than I thought first.
Yeah, it really was fun. I want to play kids. I
Yeah.
want one in my house. Good morning, guys. So it is New Year's Day, and last night we forgot to end the vlog, but basically all we did was went to laser tag, came home, and fell asleep. Let me put your seatbelt on. And so we came home, went to sleep, woke up, and now we're going to get crepes with Kyle's family in Germantown. And then I think everybody's gonna head out and we are gonna go and meet about goals and just other potential things for this year. So, what do you have to say?
I hope y'all are having a great 2019.
First day, people.
And I don't know. I didn't have my coffee this morning. I gotta have my
We'll film more at the crepe place, but I met JoJo at this crepe place and her family, JoJo from The Bachelorette, and she's so sweet. So let's go see if we can see some more famous people. Let's cross our fingers. All right, we got our crepes. What'd you get?
I got quarantine. Look at Grant's. His looks good.
Grant's looks really good. What'd you get, Grant?
It's diabetes.
Funky monkey.
What did you get, Grant? You don't need to. I just want a bite. Just get some.
That looks so
cholesterol.
good.
I don't want like the middle part. You take your bite. I want the diabetes.
Yeah, diabetic omelet.
I want to
Someday.
Good stuff there, girl.
That looks good. What'd you get?
Pretty good.
Florentine? Oh, good.
Or no,
okay.
no, not chicken. Just Florentine.
Okay. Yeah.
Alright, we're ending the vlog, Hannah.
Bye guys. Thanks for watching.
See you guys.
Bye.
And today's vlog has been sponsored
we didn't
by
kiss last night.
Ororo.
Ew. You guys are sick.
Ororo.